How are elements 1 and 2 positioned in relation to each other on the periodic table, given that we have a table that compares them across a variety of different properties: shielding, ENC, and atomic radius? We'll start with shielding. So it says that the shielding in 1 is going to be bigger than shielding in 2. So how can we use that to start eliminating options? Shielding is the phenomenon that with larger numbers of shells, the greater the separation between the nucleus and the outermost electrons to forming an attraction with each other. So when we have more shells at the bottom of the periodic table, there's going to be more shielding. And if we have less shells, there's going to be less shielding. So because 1 has more shielding than 2, we would expect 1 to be below 2 on the periodic table, so thus we can eliminate choices C and D. What about effective nuclear charge, or ENC? It says that effective nuclear charge is bigger for 2 as compared to 1. ENC increases as you proceed left to right based upon the nucleus's increasing ability to attract the valence electrons it has. If you notice, Li and F, really all of these elements of the same period have the same number of shells, 2 shells. So even though they have the same number of protons and electrons respectively, this is far more able to attract those electrons because they're the same number of shells away. Therefore, 1 must be to the left of 2 because it has less effective nuclear charge than 2. So A is going to be our answer. And this coincides with the periodicity of atomic radius, where it's bigger in the lower left and smaller in the upper right.